Well, we're down here in the barnyard on the farm. We got a glass ply behind me, but today we are working on a wahoo. We got this 13-foot wahoo. It's my new dive boat, and it's overheating. The alarm's going off. So what we did, we pulled out these 4 bolts. We got these bolts right here. They're about, I want to say a 5/8 wrench, and you got 4 of them. You got one right here, 2, 3, 4. And so we're taking this baby apart. We got a new water pump from Amazon. You know, it's from the prop shop, Rugged Outdoor Products. And so we got to do a little unboxing video here. We got a new impeller. We got some little rubber gaskets, seals, and then we got some plates and gaskets. So we're gonna rebuild this water pump right here. That's right, and we got a 10mm socket that we're gonna use to loosen these. But you see, the holes don't line up, like, at all. I mean, maybe I have it flipped upside down. Oh yeah, I guess that is it. It was flipped upside down. So I guess there's a right side. So there we go. So I got that plate on. I'm gonna take some of the right stuff and just put a little bit of seal around the edges here on this bad boy. It may or may not be the right way to do it, but it doesn't hurt to add a little. I almost forgot. There's all these, came with all these little gaskets and things. I really hope I don't have to pull this shit out. This thing. Well, folks, as long as it took me to get this sucker in there, I gotta pull it back freaking out. Comes out super easy, but you don't want to forget this. All right, freaking round 25. Okay, freaking got it. So, I mean, that was pretty tough. But after that, I'm cleaning up all my old bolts here. So, this thing's been sitting a long time, this little boat right here. And so one thing I just did, and then again, I don't really know if you're supposed to do this, but I just stuck, there's this little hole right here. So the water goes into this hole right here. And so to, I don't know, in my mind, I'm blowing out all the blockage here. So we just blow air through here and it comes out through the pee hole there. And man, some shit flew out. So that might have been part of my problem. So another thing I ordered off of Amazon that's a good thing to do when you're doing all this stuff too is an oil change. So we got ourselves a Quicksilver Marine Parts oil change kit. So hopefully it's the right size filter and all that fun stuff. But so yeah, we got that. We got 3 of these, and we got ourselves a oil filter. So we're gonna go ahead and do that too. Plug out, or I'm gonna go ahead and remove the oil filter, which is right here. So we're gonna use some channel locks to try to get this baby out. Now, I don't really know. It had a Yamaha one in it. We're putting a Quicksilver one in this bait. That rubber seal, that is. All right. So now I'm cleaning up my threads here. I got a little wire brush and just go around cleaning out all that corrosion because it's bad. This thing's been sitting for so long. We gotta clean up everything that we can. And then when I get these bad boys all nice and clean, we're gonna mount that lower back on and use a little bit of Loctite thread sealant so these don't come out. I've already lost 2, don't want to lose another. So I got some other replacement bolts that I'm using that I picked up at the auto parts store. We'll get this lower back in here, baby, and hopefully she doesn't overheat. I know how you guys like watching me struggle with this shit, so here you go. Shit. All right, we're gonna fire this baby up and see if it does what it's supposed to do. I really sure hope so. What the hell?